Hey guys, this is AC, and next week is our sales boot camp. And it's so important. If you have not been through a sales boot camp before here at SoftWash Systems, there may be other sales boot camps out there, but ours is very unique and very special to us. And when you do it either here live at SoftWash Systems or you do it like we're doing it right now, live stream, it's totally different than doing it on the SoftWash Academy online or the LMS. Those are just classes. They don't have any of the little sidebar conversations or things that happen in between that you get to experience when you go to either a live event or a live stream event here. And it's very, very, very timely information. In fact, just this week, going through our actual Facebook group, I've seen a lot of topics where people have been asking questions about sales and marketing that are things that are covered in the sales boot camp that you're going to be able to go to next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday online through the SoftWash Academy online. So, one of those questions that was asked was, hey, listen, my wife is leaving her job. She's getting ready to come on board with our company here, and she's going to be handling the sales and marketing. Does anybody out there have a script they'd like to share with us so she knows what to say when she goes out and approaches a customer and is doing a sales call? Well, I immediately chimed in and went, hey, that's Sales Boot Camp. We have a class in Sales Boot Camp that's called Selling SoftWash, where we go over the 30-second elevator speech, and then we break that down, the sum of all of its parts, and turn that 30-second elevator speech into a 45-minute conversation. And that's a great class to do so that you know how to talk to a customer and share all the features and benefits and the great things that we have to offer here at SoftWash Systems, being an in-network company with us. All of the buzzwords, all the phrasing, all of the science, all the marketing, all the things that we talk about at a sales boot camp is going to make you a more authoritative, more powerful person out there selling our soft washing products. So, if you want to grow your company, if you want to go ahead and sharpen your skills, if you want to learn how to market this thing called soft washing, you can't miss the SoftWash Systems Sales Bootcamp starting next week, Tuesday morning. I'll be there. Will you?